Now we are in the great Pulicat Lake. It is one of the historical place. In all over the world, we are seeing the Panchaputas is for living. The Panchaputas saving for the living people. Panchaputas never destroy. Even the Panchaputas giving the strength for the living for the weather trees, even living for the human being, even living for the fire. So every Panchaputa Shakti is for human livings, for earth. What then our Prime Minister is telling, one earth, one family, one future. That means the global is giving the lots of resource for living the people. Now we are standing, this particularly lake is one of the best place for the hydrogen manufacturing. Now the great Shivakumar and our scientist Mr. Nidhi Swami, we visited to how to make the India revolutionary for the particularly producing of hydrogen. The hydrogen need the all over the world, even the Oman, even the Dubai, they are making the petroleum hub. With God's grace, we want to India to make the hydrogen hub in Tamil Nadu. Why? This Pulicat is one of the biggest resources. That this air and water and Surya Shakti, everything integrated to make the hydrogen hub with the support of our great Shivakumar sir. This Pulicat is one of the resource for all the fishermen. This is one of the place, particularly it is very, very near to Sri Harikota and Sri City. Is one of the Abdul Kalam visionary place. The Sri City is giving the entire world about the rocket technology. Like that, in future, this place will give the hydrogen hub with the blessings of everybody, particularly our Narendra Bhai and our Shivakumar. We want to take the great initiative to develop this village. This village people is now they are doing the fisheries. In future, how we are taking the Dubai is a petroleum hub with God's grace. In this village people, in this all the development within the 5 years or 10 years, marvelous development. We are going to establish the research center with integrated with the Taiwan, so many even universities, even our TJS Engineering College, our particularly MGR University. So many education institutions, they are ready to do the establish a research center for development of hydrogen. Our hearty welcome from the REAP Cooperative Society. This cooperative society, we make the multi-state cooperative society with Andhra and Tamil Nadu for the welfare of this particularly local village people, the welfare of Tamil Nadu, the welfare of India, even the welfare of entire world. That is called the what Narendra Bhai is telling, one earth, one family, one future. Thank you, Bharat Mata Mogan from Great Lake Pulicat in particularly near Gumudi Pundi, and it is also situated in Tiruvallur district. I am Bharat Mata Mogan. Thank you.